98 Chevy and you want to put marking lights in the top, I'm going to show you the first step on how I've gotten the socket inserts out of an old pair of corner marking lights. As you can see, I've got them out. This is what I'm going to use to JB weld onto the ones inside my truck. Here you can see I fucked this one up trying to use a Dremel to do it, so I gave up. I used the impact hole saw set. I used I think this is an 1 3/8 or 35 millimeters. Took it out real nice. Then use a screwdriver, some channel locks. Your fingers doesn't have anything to kick it out with because there's a hole in the center. I'm then going to try and use the 7/8 bit to punch a hole into the ones in my truck and then JB weld these guys on so I can put marking lights in the top corner. Alright, here you can see I've shaved down this part so it's a little bit more porous and, you know, grittier. Hopefully it catches the JB weld this time. I tried to originally do it on the silvery chrome part just to see if it was possible. That wasn't possible. So, as you can see, it's shaved down here with sandpaper. Something to be aware of, though, is that these inserts are a little thick, and the way that I'm putting them in here, they're going to have to sit underneath these post nuts that are going to go into those holes to hold the lens in. As you can see here, they're just twist-ons you use with a 1/2-inch socket to put them on, take them off. Yeah, we'll see them later on in the video. I just also am showing that I shaved down these as well. I'm definitely going to suggest that you try to do it the way that I showed you in my other video, where you take off the lip here and maybe a little bit more so that it actually... What I'm trying to show here is that the way that I did it kind of looks like an abomination. So the better way to do it would to actually be to insert it through the lens here so that you shave down on the inside here and then you glue it to that side, and then your socket would be the only portion on this side. That way those post nuts aren't sitting on top of your lens insert like that, because that looks stupid. But I mean, it might work out to my advantage being holding that in there along with the JB weld. I think it's gonna look good. Another tip here is notice how like earlier on in the video I had the lens completely off. When you drill in, it'd be way better to do that then. That way you don't get those drilled into the lens like I did. I was being lazy and I suffered for it, so I would do that. I would take those off next time. This here is just the finished product. I think it's going to look good. I'm going to get into the wiring now and hopefully it'll be completed soon.